Now here, the next thing which we are going to do is to add our name to the board. And to do that, we will select the front sill screen here and clicking here, and then we will click on the add text, and you can write, for example, Neha's NRF 24 breakout circuit. So it's looking huge, so I'm gonna change the size to maybe 0.5 and this to also 0.5. Okay, so yeah, looks better. And then I will create a line, create a box outside my name, and to do that I will create a box like this. Alright, now the next thing you can do is you can add anything you want at the bottom side of the PCB. So for that I clicked on the bottom sill screen, and then maybe I'm going to write, let's click on the text. I can write LW Tech Electronics Technology 2020. So, and I'll also edit the height and width 0.5, and this also 0.5. Press OK, and OK, and this you can put somewhere, maybe let's say here. Yeah, so now we can see the 3D view. So you can see here, and we're gonna see how it will look at the back. LW Tech Electronics Technology. Now we are ready to export the Gerber files, and to do that click on the plotter button here, you can see, and make sure you have got the required layers selected. So these are the layers, you have to make sure these are selected. Front copper, back copper, front paste, back paste. We are not using that, but these are recommended by the software, so I'll just keep it like that. Front mask, back mask, edge cuts. If there's anything you're missing, just click on that, and all these looks good to me. And the only box which I'm going to click is on this use Portal file name extension. And before plotting it, I will save it in the in my Gerber directory. So I'll click here. This is my main project directory, and under that I have created a new folder named NRF24 Gerber. So under this I'm going to save my files. Do you want to use a path relative? Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to plot, and once it is plotted, the next thing I'll have to do is to generate the drill files. Now this will bring up another dialog box, as you can see here, and all the settings should be correct by default, including the output directly, but little bit change we'll do here. For example, map file format, I'll click on the Gerber, and here I'll click here 0. So now we can generate the drill files. So once the drill files are generated, you can close the window, and you'll close this as well. Now to check if it is saved in your directory, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check under my Gerber folder. So as you can see here, all the Gerber files are saved here. Now the next thing which I'm going to do is to see my Gerber files, and to do that I'll click on this Gerber view. Gerber view is already running. Continue. Yes. So thanks. So here this is the Gerber view, and I'll select the file from here. Open Gerber files. And let's begin with the copper. So as you can see, it's showing here all the paths, and you can click on other files as well. And then again, I'm going to click on the edge cuts. So you can see it is showing the edge cuts, and so on. You can select the different files which are saved under Gerber, and you can have a look of those. So let's select one more, maybe front cell screen. So you can see over here. Now this is how my Gerber file looks like after opening all the files inside the Gerber folder. Now the next thing we will do is we will basically compress the Gerber files, and then send the compressed file to the manufacturer. So you can see here on the desktop I have created this compressed Gerber files, and this Gerber file basically contains all these subfiles. And what I'm going to do is next is I'll open up this website, which is oshpark.com, and in this I'm going to browse my compressed Gerber files. So this is my nrf24 underscore Gerber file, and I'll open this up, and it will take some time to process. Now here you can see the top and the bottom view of the Gerber file on this manufacturer website. This is how it will look like when I'm going to get the manufactured board. And here are some details: board name, description, email. So you'll put here, and then you'll continue, and it will tell you the price and stuff. So this is what